Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides and Lowrides. Tonight I'm going to be working on the 22 LowriderS, and I'm going to be replacing my starter LED lights that I purchased from Amazon. When you first get your Harley-Davidson, they come with these regular bulbs. They are not readily installed with LED lights. And so initially I put the $14 Amazon lights in. So tonight I'm going to be replacing them with LEDs made by Eagle Lights. And so hang out with me and I'll show you how I'm going to make the change. So these are the lights that I installed from Amazon, and they're just regular LED lights. They have the smoke lenses, and I'll turn them on. As you can see, they're kind of bright, but they're not as bright as I would like them to be. They are clear or white, and then just hitting the blinker. They changed the amber, but I'm really not that impressed with them. I don't think that you can see them from the distance that I like to be viewed at. And it doesn't help me as far as light on the road. It is better than what was in there, but I was just looking for something different. So I'll be replacing them with these Eagle Lights. The part number is 8748TS, 8748 Tango Sierra. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is locate the area of your light that has like the slit right there, and you can use a flathead screwdriver or just something to pry that open, and then that comes right off. And be careful, because I almost just scratched my windshield right there. All right, and so you do the same to the other side. And for right here, the way these Amazon lights go in, it just has double-sided tape, and it goes in. It's not a bad product, but it's just not as bright as I want it to be. So note that on this part, I'm pushing in and I'm turning counterclockwise, and they go out. And I'm also noting that one tab is forward and one tab is rear. So when I put them in, I'm gonna look for this slight turn right there. See that angle? And I'm gonna turn it clockwise, and then the angle will be flat. So push in, pull out. All right, so inside your package that you get from Eagle Lights, look at these. Wow, I mean, already looks like an improvement. I don't even have it plugged in. This is the original Amazon one. It's just got like flat light pads. And so I'm already looking forward to see how it's gonna be changed, what the difference will be. This is a set of instructions. It recommends that you don't use this with dielectric grease. And before installing, it says to check out the tabs to make sure you have the same style. And as I mentioned before, you have one forward, which was that one, and then one rear. So it looks like we could just push in and install. All right, so it also has a troubleshooting guide if you run into issues, and there's their support email address and their phone number. So I have the light in my hand. I'm finding that angle that I had before, and just like that, it's in. So now I'm just gonna coil my light wires in, and it just goes in place right there. So I do have a set of lenses right here that they came with, and I'm gonna open these. I do like the smoke ones, all the way smoke, a lot better, but I'm gonna try the ones that it came with, and then I'm gonna see if the ones that I remove will work inside there so that I can get that dark look. I don't know if it's gonna be necessary, because even here, it's not too bad, and these are like super bright. I guess anything that doesn't have a dark lens is gonna be brighter anyway. All right, so in all fairness, the lens on the right is the one that I have from Amazon. The lens on the left is gonna be the one from Eagle Lighting. So I wanna just see how bright it is. So I'm gonna just temporarily put this in just so I can get a comparison of the two lights, just to see. All right, so that just goes on by pushing there, it's on. I'll turn my lights on now. And yeah, it is brighter. It is a lot brighter. All right, so I like that. You still get the And it's so bright, you can't even see the circle. All right, so let me try the blinker. Wow, that is way better. I don't know if you remember the blinker before. I'm gonna just turn on the hazard lights. Let me get around here so I could just turn the hazard lights on just so you can kind of see. All right, so the one from Amazon does go like white and amber, and then this one just goes amber, which, you know, you're turning, so it's probably what it should be. I have to ask them if they have a light that actually does this. I don't know if I like that better or not. It's kind of confusing, but all right. Okay, now I removed the all the way black smoke lens, and I put in the one that it came with from Eagle Light, and that's a lot brighter. I think the white bulbs are a lot larger than the ones on this side that are the LEDs from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and change them all the way out now. And this change only takes like 5 minutes, but I'm just talking. All right, and just like that, the Eagle Lights are installed and in place, and they are brighter. I like the lenses. They're actually gray. They match, when they're off, they match the gray from the bike. And then I have the Baja Designs LP6, and then another light bar, 6-inch light bar from Eagle Lighting. So nice. All right, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chris Glides and Lowrides. If you like the Eagle Lights, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to purchase them, go on to www.eaglelights.com/Chris Glides. And when you're ready to purchase and you want 15% off, go ahead and type in promo code Chris Glides. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.